Hello and welcome to Too Sharp with ET. I'm Nisha Podar, and the two important news developments that we've got for you could really reshape global markets. One, a potential mega merger in big oil in the world, and crucial pause in Fed's rate decision. Shell eyes BP in possible oil mega merger. Could the UK's biggest energy names become one? Is a very big question. Shell is quietly working with advisors to evaluate a potential acquisition of BP, but is holding back for now, waiting to see if BP stock falls further along with the global oil prices. So sources have told Bloomberg that Shell's internal discussions have intensified in recent weeks, but no formal bid has been made as yet. So why is BP in play? Well, BP has lost nearly a third of its market value in the past year. Its turnaround efforts have failed to gain investor confidence, and activist shareholder Elliott Investment has taken a 5% stake in the company, putting pressure on BP's leadership to deliver results. Now, the company has already planned to sell $20 billion worth of assets by the year 2027 and has also announced, remember, a change in the top strategy leadership. Now, Shell CEO signals caution on this. When asked about the possible takeover, Shell CEO told the Financial Times that he would rather continue buying back Shell's own stock. He admitted that Shell still has more work to do internally, but hasn't ruled out large deals entirely. So the big impact. This mega merger could redraw global oil map. If it goes through, well, the merger would combine two of the world's or UK's largest energy giants and give Shell the scale to rival ExxonMobil and Chevron. But such a deal would almost certainly attract regulatory scrutiny due to its size and also the potential impact on competition in the oil and gas sector. For now, Shell is preparing quietly, as we see, either for a direct move or in case another suitor jumps in first. Also remember that oil prices slide after OPEC Plus boosts the output. Oil prices dropped sharply after Saudi Arabia, Russia, as well as 6 other OPEC Plus nations announced a production increase of over 400,000 barrels a day. So Brent crude fell more than 3.5% to around $59 a barrel, while US benchmark WTI dropped nearly 4%. So some analysts are of the view that this is a clear sign that Saudi Arabia is shifting the strategy, focusing on defending its market share rather than cutting the supply. So while oil prices are dwindling, there could be a big M&A in the waiting as Shell waits on BP. Now, US Fed is seen holding rates steady this week. This is a big and important development. All eyes would be on Fed this week. The US Federal Reserve is widely expected to keep the interest rates unchanged this week as it watches the impact of President Trump's new tariffs on the economy. So the Fed has held rates steady since December at 4.25 to 4.5%, aiming to also keep inflation near its 2% target without derailing growth. Now, important to note here is that tariffs add to Fed's dilemma. Trump has rolled out a series of new tariffs, including the 10% duties on imports from most countries and 25% on specific items like steel, cars, and aluminium. Now, most economists agree that these tariffs could push up the prices in the short term and slow down the economic growth, making it harder for the Fed to justify any immediate rate cuts. So what's next? Well, markets now expect a July cut from Fed. Recent jobs data in the US came in stronger than expected, calming the fears of a slowdown as of now. So as a result, the big banks like Barclays and Goldman Sachs have really pushed back their forecasts for rate cuts to July, giving the Fed more time to assess the impact of tariffs and inflation data. All eyes on US Federal Reserve's statement as well as the policy decision. With that, it's a wrap on Too Sharp with ET. I thank you so much for joining us. But don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks so much.